Hey mommies, we are officially in the fall season, which means it's time to break out the apple cider and cobbler recipes, right? I've created a new series. It's called the Fall Comfort Recipe Series. And so this recipe number 1 is called our creamy mac and cheese, but I'm not using macaroni, I'm using rigatoni actually. As you know, I love me some Aldi, so most of my ingredients came from Aldi. So for this recipe, I use rigatoni pasta, smoked gouda cheese, some leftover shredded sharp cheddar cheese, Parmesan cheese, heavy cream, and some breadcrumbs. So I boiled the pasta off camera, and I just combined some Parmesan cheese to the shredded Gouda cheese. And off camera, once the pasta was actually cooked through, I drained it. Then I just heated up some heavy cream inside the pot with the pasta, along with some shredded cheese. And then I finished adding the rest of the cheeses inside the bowl. As you can see, I always say macaroni and cheese because it's the one thing that we normally make, but I'm using rigatoni. So I also saved some of that cheese because I'm going to start applying the pasta and the cheese in layers, just to have that cheese on each layer. It's just going to give it such a creamy effect, and I just can't wait for you guys to see the finished product. It's amazing. So after I finished layering my cheeses, then I just added some breadcrumbs and a little bit of butter, because that butter just gives it that rich, amazing texture and flavor at the end when you're ready to dip it out. Then I was ready to bake. I baked my macaroni and cheese on 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. I love this color. I love the texture. Everything about this was amazing, and it was so creamy. You guys are going to love it. Stay tuned for the next recipe. Love you, mommies. Talk to you soon. Peace out.